Chiliz value equivalent to $0.42 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $132.78. The earlier day close $139. The change was plus 26%. Backwards rate ICE to CHC. Chiliz conjecture for May 2024. Initially costed $18. Excessive costs $22, while low costs $18. The normal for the month $20. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $21. Change for May 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at $21. Excessive costs $25, while low costs $21. The normal for the month $23. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $23. Change for June 5%. Chiliz figure for July 2024. To start with cost at $23. Exorbitant costs $27, while low costs $23. The normal for the month $25. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $25. Change for July 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $25. Exorbitant costs $28, while low costs $24. The normal for the month $26. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $26. Change for August 40%. Chiliz conjecture for September 2024. Before all else cost at $26. Excessive costs $29, while low costs $25. The normal for the month $27. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $27. Change for September 38%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $27. Excessive costs $30, while low cost $26. The normal for the month $28. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $28. Change for October 37%. Chiliz gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at $28. Exorbitant costs $31, while low costs $27. The normal for the month $29. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $29. Change for November 36%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $29. Exorbitant costs are $32, while low costs $28. The normal for the month $30. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $30. Change for December 34%. Chiliz estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $30. Exorbitant costs are $33, while low costs $29. The normal for the month $31. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $31. Change for January 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $31. Excessive costs $34, while low costs $30. The normal for the month $32. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $32. Change for February 2%. Chiliz gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at $32. Exorbitant costs are $34, while low costs are $30. The normal for the month $32. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $32. Change for spring 0%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $32. Excessive costs are $40, while low costs $32. The normal for the month $35. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $37. Change for April 6%. Chiliz figure for May 2025. In the first place cost at $37. Excessive costs are $41, while low costs are $35. The normal for the month $38. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $38. Change for May 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $38. Exorbitant costs on $43, while low costs on $37. The normal for the month $40. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $40. Change for June 3%. Chiliz conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $40. Excessive costs on $41, while low costs are $35. The normal for the month $39. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $38. Change for July 5%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $38. Exorbitant cost $44, while low costs $38. The normal for the month $40. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.41, change for August 7.9%. Chilliz conjecture for September 2025. First and foremost cost it's on $41. Exorbitant costs on 51, while low costs on 41. The normal for the month $0.45. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.48, change for September 17.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $48. Excessive cost on 60, while low costs on 48. The normal for the month $53. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $56, change for October 16.7%. Chilliz gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at $56. Exorbitant costs on 56, while low costs on 44. The normal for the month $51. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $47, change for November 16.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $47. Excessive costs at 47, while low costs are 36. The normal for the month $42. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $39, change for December 17%. Chilliz figure for January 2026. Initially cost at $39. Excessive costs 39, while low costs 31. The normal for the month $36. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $33, change for January 15.4%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $33. Exorbitant cost on 41, while low cost to 33. The normal for the month $36. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $38, change for February 15.2%. Chilliz conjecture for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at $38. Exorbitant costs $43, while low costs are 37. The normal for the month $40. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $40, change for spring 5.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $40. Excessive costs on 40, while low costs 32. The normal for the month $37. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $34, change for April 15%. Chilliz estimate for May 2026. Before all else cost at $34. Excessive costs 34, while low costs 27. The normal for the month $31. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $29, change for May 14.7%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $29. Exorbitant costs at 33, while low costs 29. The normal for the month $31. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $31. Change.